Welcome back to Whiteboard Finance. My name is Marco and I'm here to help you master your money and build your wealth. If you're interested in real estate investing, stock market investing, personal finance, or entrepreneurship, this is definitely the channel to be subscribed to, so please do so below if you haven't done already. Today we're talking about the investing app called Robinhood, actually adding cryptocurrency to its offerings, which I think is pretty crazy. It's only going to raise the amount of money that people are investing in stocks and in crypto, and who knows what's going to happen over the next few months. So I personally use Robinhood to invest in my individual stocks that I recommend to you guys, and also any other stocks that I choose to do so on the side. Ultimately, I use Vanguard for my ETFs because I only invest in Vanguard ETFs for the most part, and those are commission free. And I also use Vanguard for my Roth IRA. But the cool thing about Robinhood is that you can trade individual stocks with no commissions and no fees. I think that's a huge value add, especially for beginning investors that don't want to have all their profits eaten up in fees if they don't have large amounts to invest. So if you want to support the channel, I actually have an affiliate link below to sign up for Robinhood, and it's a win-win situation. When you sign up using that link, you get a free share of stock and I get a free share of stock. So if you want to support the channel, use that link. If not, no big deal. So the big news today is that Robinhood is essentially going to let you invest in different forms of cryptocurrency. They're starting with Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the cool thing is that they're keeping their no-fee model. So you can trade as much cryptocurrency as you want, and it looks like they're not going to charge you any premiums to do so. So another popular trading platform for cryptocurrency is called Coinbase. And Coinbase actually charges about 1.5% to 4% in fees. So you have free versus fees. So obviously people are going to go the free route. So I ultimately think that Robinhood is making a good decision here because at the time of this recording, they're going to allow you to track the price, the news, and set up alerts on Bitcoin and Ethereum, plus 14 other cryptocurrencies. Take a look at this screenshot and this quote below from the co-founder of Robinhood, Vlad Tenev. "We're planning to operate this business on a break-even basis, and we don't plan to profit from it for the foreseeable future. The value of Robinhood crypto is in growing our customer base and better serving our existing customers." So a lot of retail stores during these big sales or these big Black Friday sales or periodically throughout the year, they have what's called a loss leader. So they'll sell you a product that they're breaking even or even losing money on in order just to get your foot in the door. And that's exactly what Vlad Tenev is doing with this strategy. So ultimately, instead of just trading, ETFs, stocks, and everything else that's available on Robinhood, they're opening up a whole new flood of customers by getting more eyeballs and users on their platform who also want to trade cryptocurrency. So by simplifying trading and tracking, they can increase the value of Bitcoin and Ethereum because it's going to open up both worlds through the Robinhood app. So not only are users going to be dabbling in stocks and ETFs and everything else that's already available on Robinhood, they're also going to be dabbling in cryptocurrency as well, which I think in the short term at least will ultimately raise prices of these different coins. So based on my research, here's how Robinhood crypto actually works. For existing members, you can instantly transfer up to $1,000 from your connected bank account or more if you have a gold membership. So for smaller traders, that could actually eliminate the annoying delays on other platforms where it takes a few days to actually get your money out, or if you miss a low price point, you can't quickly get in and out of those trades because you're waiting for other trades to either close or you're waiting for your money to transfer. So I think ease of use, simplicity, and quickness is going to make this a winner for Robinhood in the long term. Robinhood also tries to combat volatility. So we all know that crypto has been kind of like a crazy roller coaster ride over the last few months, you guys. So what they do is they put a collar around your trade so it can't execute unless it's close to your estimated price that they gave you. So it waits for the price to return to that level if it exceeded it, and it also lets you know via the app if you're at that price at which you want to execute at. So in very layman's terms, if you want to get in at, let's just say for easy numbers, 10 grand on Bitcoin, if it's significantly higher than that, it'll actually notify you once it gets back to that price that you want to enter at. Although this is going to eventually expand into all 50 states, I think, only Bitcoin and Ethereum will be available for trading when that rolls out in February to the following states: You have California, Massachusetts, Missouri, Montana, and New Hampshire. And as I mentioned, I think it's going to roll out to all 50, but we'll have to see. So take a look at this screenshot. Again, Vlad Tenev is quoted here saying, "We're extremely selective about the cryptos we're making available on the platform, and we're introducing those first because these are the most mature coins that people are trading these days. Multiple times people have declared them dead and they've come back stronger than ever." So a couple more quick facts before I wrap this video up. You can see the demand for crypto has been clear because 100,000 of Robinhood's users were regularly searching for crypto and crypto prices and trading, even though that wasn't even a feature available on the app. And what Robinhood did was they surveyed a bunch of their users, and 95% of those surveyed said they'd invest in cryptos if the product supported it. So voila, here it is. So ultimately, Robinhood has handled $100 billion in transactions so far, and it's saved its users over $1 billion in fees, and I'm one of them. That amount is only going to go up when crypto is added, because think about all the volatility that it's had over the past few months and years, and multiply that with the fees that you would have incurred on like a Coinbase, for example. So no fees plus an easy to use platform equals a big win in my opinion, and I think Robinhood is very smart to get into this space early. And that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I do have a question of the day below, however. Will you be trading crypto on Robinhood? So if you don't have Robinhood already, again, you can sign up using my link below. You get a free share of stock, I get a free share of stock, and everybody's happy. So it's a win-win situation, you guys. And again, if you got any value out of my video whatsoever, please share it with one friend and subscribe below if you haven't already. Thank you and have a prosperous day.
Hello?
Hey, so Robinhood is allowing you to trade cryptocurrency now. How much are you going to invest and what are you investing in, if anything? I know it's a personal question, but I'm calling you out of the blue.
Yeah, well, if I'd be investing anything, it would probably be $2,000. I mean, it's what I'm comfortable with trading right now, or basically losing.
Okay.
But yeah, that's what I would go with.
What are you putting in, bro? Bitcoin or Ethereum?
I'd say Litecoin and Ethereum. Those are my two picks.
Okay, Litecoin. I see you. Maybe we'll do a little pump and dump here. What else can we what else can we pump up on this video? Actually, I think it's just Bitcoin and Ethereum for now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So okay, so I got your vote for Ethereum, right?
Definitely.
All right, perfect. I'll pitch that to my viewers, and maybe we'll pump it up and then sell it and then buy a Ferrari.
Yeah, we'll win.
Perfect. Winning. All right, thanks, dude.
All right, no problem.
See ya. So guys, I really got to recommend Ethereum. You know, we only got 48 hours to buy in, but if you just transfer me $10,000 via PayPal or Venmo, we'll put that into a pool and we'll pool our money together and we'll invest in Ethereum. It'll go up, we'll sell, and you'll get back, you'll make 1% per day. Guaranteed. So then you got to sign someone else up. Here, let me break it down for you. So it starts with you right here, okay? And then you're going to sign up 2 or 3 people, and what they're going to do is they're going to sign up 2 or 3 people, and we'll make 1% a day. And this isn't a pyramid scheme. This is not a pyramid scheme. I promise. We're all going to get rich. 1% per day, guaranteed. 48 hours, 48 hours called out.